Raven loved the top we made for her, so she wants us to make another one. We can't say no to her, but this time we're making the top without ruffle sleeves. The pattern we'll use is from the Dollfie Dream Sewing Book. There are a total of 5 pieces, but this number varies depending on the style you make. Iron the interfacing to these pieces. Right sides together, pin the front and back pieces, and sew the shoulder seam. Repeat for the other side. Iron the seams open. Right sides together. Place the left and right front pieces on top of each other. Pin and sew. Iron the seam open. Right sides together. Place the interface section onto the back piece. Pin and sew the neckline. Sew a portion of the hems. Pin and sew the underarms. Pull the front through the back and repeat for the other side. Pin and sew the darts. Pin and sew the side seams. Iron the seams open. Fold the hem and sew. All you have to do is add the buttons and your look will be complete. Thanks for watching. It was fun sewing with you.